Test your Excel skills. 15 questions to see if you are a beginner or pro. What is the shortcut to select all cells in a worksheet? Which function finds the highest value in a range? How do you edit the contents of a cell? What character is used to start a formula? What is the main purpose of a pivot table? Which chart displays proportions of a whole? What shortcut saves your current workbook? A cell reference that does not change is called? What is the term for a group of selected cells? Which key undoes the last action? Which function calculates the mean of a range? What are the tabs at the bottom of a workbook? What is the shortcut for inserting a new worksheet? Which feature recognizes and duplicates a data pattern? What tool is used to filter pivot tables interactively? Great, it's done. Please share your score.